Once you log in, this is your main dashboard, your control center. Here you can easily see everything that you want to look at. On the dashboard, you can see some general information about the pending fee, total salaries, students, teachers, and admin in a shape of floating cards. Just below that, you can have the overview of pending fee and you can send the reminders directly from your portal. And after that, there is a salary schedule. You can have the information about the salaries. You can filter out according to the previous salary or according to the month. Now let's move on to the side panel. The side panel you will find or you will navigate all your system. You will find parents, admins, teachers, students, information. You can check the class schedules. You can find today's classes, reports, fee, expense sheet, and much more. Everything is designed to save time and keep you organized. With just few clicks, you can manage your entire academy from one place.